amount of, I must say, quality work. You worked in Y Films, Man's World, and you've done good films also. So how has this journey been?
It's been amazing. It's been full of learning, very crazy for sure. And I first came to Bombay in 2009, and I started.
So how has the journey been?
Yeah, the journey has been very. It's been crazy. It's been full of learning, and I've matured as a person so far, and there's more to come, I believe. And I mean, I came to Bombay in 2009, May 10th to be precise, and I started giving auditions for ads, and that's when I started doing good brands like Colgate, KFC, and Volkswagen, and more certain brands. And my first film was Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, where I played Shorty's character, and people really loved the film, and it got a great reception, and it made me really happy because people really liked my work also from Humpty. And then Man's World happened, which was Yash Raj's first web series, and again it was a different kind of concept, never ever done before, and people again really loved it. The reception was brilliant, and that's how we started with our first web series. And now Flying Jet happened, and I was really fortunate that I was a part of such a big film, and I was working with greats like Remo sir and very talented people like Tiger and Jacqueline, and veterans like Amrita ji and KK. So it was an amazing experience, and not to forget Nathan Jones, who was just, because I've been a biggest WWE fan since I was a little kid, and I remember him wrestling. I was 13 in 2003, and he was wrestling in the screen, and I saw this towering 6'10" guy, and beating the people and just winning all the matches, and it was amazing. And I couldn't believe that he's the guy who beats me in the film.
Right.
So it was a great experience altogether. So yeah, I mean, Flying Jet happened, and I had a really great time shooting the film. And again, people really loved my work, and they're loving the film, and especially children.
Yes.
I mean, it's meant for children, so they're loving the film too. So I'm really glad that it's getting a great reception. So yeah.
And वैसे गौरव लग रहा that you're not very calculative about your work. I think जो भी आपने pick किया 2009 से अब तक quality और जो लोग हैं वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहे हैं काम करने के लिए. You just not picking things which are coming your way कि बस काम करना है. So ये कोई strategy बना के you've come to this industry or anything like that?
Basically, there has never been a strategy. I always thought I was going to get into ads because I didn't want to get into television because I was focusing more on films. I mean, I didn't mind television also, but I was trying to focus on films. So I thought maybe if I started with ads, maybe people notice me, because you've got a bracket of say 30 seconds to 1 minute, and you can really show whatever you can within that time frame. And all the ads that I got were mostly performance based. If you see, my first ad was for a drink for South India, and I had to behave like Rajnikant and do the chashma wala, that flick and that gamcha flip and all of that. So I gave the audition, and that was my 5th audition, and I got the ad. And I got more such ads because people saw me in that, and they were like, oh, he can probably pull it off, maybe we should call him for more performance based ads. So that's how I started getting performance based ads rather than look based. And so because of my ads, I got my first film, Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, because people had seen me in ads, and they suggested the director Shashank Khaitan, and he said, okay, let's call him, let's test him. And they tested me, they loved me. So that's how Humpty happened, and therefore slowly Man's World happened, because I knew Nikhil, who was from Yash Raj, and he said maybe we should call him and let's see if he can do Kiran's character in Man's World, and that happened. People loved it. And Remo said that he had seen me in a lot of ads, he had seen me in Humpty, so he was very keen on taking me on this film, and I didn't have to audition for this one, so it was special for sure.
Right. Alright, so Gaurav, what's coming up? क्या आगे के लिए सोचा है? What kind of films or what kind of web series? What are you open to basically? What's your focus right now?
I'm focused on doing great work, good work, work that has a great script, and people like I have the same kind of wavelength with, and people that understand me, I understand them. So that we have a great equation while we are shooting. And I've been really fortunate so far because I've always worked with people who were happy with my performance, and I was happy with working with them. So it was great. I mean, our first director, Shashank, he's amazing. He's like my brother right now. And Vikram Gupta, who's the director of Man's World. Again, we play PlayStation games together. I go to his house and we play FIFA and games like Tekken and stuff like that. And Remo sir, of course, he is one of the best we have in this industry. He's one of the best dancers.
He's one of
and
the
now he's-
amazing directors.
yeah, and he's an amazing person altogether. So it was an amazing experience to just work with him.
Any kind of wish list you have right now, like top 3, 10, 5?
Oh, I do.
directors?
Oh, yes, I do. I
Anything?
really want to work with Raju Hirani sir because I loved Three Idiots and all the other films that he has done. And I really want to work with Imtiaz Ali sir because I love his work again, and I think he's very intense, and especially Rockstar. It was one of the best films that ever came out in Bollywood, I believe. So yeah, I want to work with him also, and so many I have in my list. If I start, you'll probably end the interview.
Right. So ये तो directors की बात है. What about
हाँ.
the leading ladies?
लीडिंग लेडीज तो मुझे सबके साथ काम करना है. मुझे सबके साथ काम करना है. मैं कटरीना से लेकर के अनुष्का, everyone, I love them, I love their work, and if I get a chance to work with them, it'll be amazing. It'll be like a dream come true to be working with people who've been in this industry for so long, and they've been working, and they made a name for themselves. So बड़ा सही होगा अगर मैं ऐसा किसी के साथ काम कर पाया तो for sure.
But नाम तो आपको लेने ही पड़ेंगे आप.
नाम तो मैं आप तो सबको जानते ही हैं. अब अभी मैंने अभी जैकलिन के साथ काम किया फिल्म में, and she was so amazing. She's such a great actor to work with. She's full of energy. I even asked her, how do you get your energy like this? And she's like, I just drink one coffee a day, just in the beginning. I said, just one coffee a day? Does that work for you? And she's like, yeah. And she's always full of energy. So we had a great time working with her. And even with Alia, she's such a brilliant actor. She gets into the character. And especially the new breed, they're just amazing. For that 5 minutes scene that I had with Shraddha, she was just amazing in that too. So I mean, the new upcoming actresses are really, really, really talented and very up with what they have to do and what the industry requires them to do, and they're doing some really great work. So.
Flying Jar is quite an interesting movie for children as well as for adults. But tell me what happened behind the scenes. Any scoop, any funny thing happened? Because मैंने सुना है Tiger and Remo और Jacqueline ने काफी मस्ती धमाल किया था सेट्स पे.
मस्ती तो बहुत होती थी सेट पे. मैं एक बताऊंगा, टाइगर का बर्थडे था हमारे सेट पे. शाम हो गई थी और सबने एक ना केक बना करके रेडी कर दिया. तो शूटिंग खत्म हुई, सब लोग एक्साइटेड हो गए कि हाँ भाई अब केक काटेंगे और टाइगर को खिलाएंगे. ठीक है, केक काटा, सब लोग खा गए और टाइगर के पास लेकर गए तो उसने केक सूंघ लिया. एंड ही सेड मैं केक नहीं खा पाऊंगा बिकॉज आई एम ऑन अ डाइट. सो ही डिडंट हैव द केक, सो वी हैड टू ईट द होल केक. ऑल ऑफ अस, द होल टीम हैड टू ईट द केक. सो ऐसी काफ़ी चीज़ें हुई. नेथन जोन्स के साथ जब मैं उनसे पहली बार मिला, एंड आई लुक्ड एट हिम लाइक दिस कि भैया ये तो मतलब कमाल ही हो आप, या जैसे भी हो. And I thought he was going to be very intimidating, and because his voice is like, yeah, I'm going to kill you. In the film, if you see, he's very intimidating, very menacing as a character. So I thought यार इनसे बात करूँ. WWE में भी थे, so उनसे मैंने काफ़ी चीज़ें निकाली, कैसे होता था, आपके फिनिशर मूव क्या थे. जो लोग WWE फॉलो करते हैं उन्हें पता लगेगा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. और he was actually very subtle and nice, very gentle when he. So it was an irony because a guy who's so big and so menacing in his looks, he's actually so sweet and so nice. It was amazing to be talking to people like that on the set. So it was amazing altogether, the experience. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जो श्रद्धा का सीन था वो तो हमने बहुत ही मजे किए बिकॉज उसमें तो ये था कि भाई वैलेंटाइंस डे चल रहा है एंड श्रद्धा कम्स एंड शी कॉल्स मी ए सुपर हीरो लाइक द वे शी कॉल्स
A
villain and she comes and she like, oh, I'm a big fan and can you marry me? And I'm supposed to be like, yeah, because I can't believe Shraddha Kapoor is proposing me and she doesn't know that I'm not the real superhero. So yeah, that was fun for sure. So ऐसे काफ़ी इंसिडेंट्स हुए जिसमें बहुत मज़ा आया और पूरे शूटिंग के दौरान पूरे टीम के साथ ऑल दी असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर एंड द एडिटर एंड सब ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, बहुत मज़ा आया इस फिल्म को करने में एंड आई होप you've seen it and if you haven't please go and watch it with your family and friends and I'm sure you'll like it.